I'm Vinita Joshi. Let's see the exciting platform of IIGP Integrated Influencer Growth Program. Grow your influence and build your digital empire. This ecosystem is for influence income and digital entrepreneurship. You can scale your business here. This is built for many type of digital entrepreneur. With IIGP, you can build brand, earn more, track your growth, and unlock more opportunities. We have these modules for IIGP with CommerceX. You can sell products, manage store operations, create additional revenue, and strengthen brand presence. With Eduverse, create and sell courses, educate your audience. With CollabX, attract brands, manage campaigns, grow partnership. With Content Vault, share your exclusive content and get paid for it. With MySphere, bring all your digital presence at one place. These are membership packages. You can start from 15 days package or with 3 years package with huge discount according to your convenience. You can start IIGP program from as low as 5 USD to maximum of 500 USD based on your requirement. Now the most important part of IIGP, that is IIGP referral program. Build your network here. Numerous opportunities starts like direct referral. If you recommend any one of the referral program, you will get 15% of his purchase. If the person below recommends anyone, still you will get 8% and so on till level 6. Other than this, there are leadership bonus and campaign income, and you can start with as low as $10. Now, let's go to another part of IIGP program, that is token, a cryptocurrency. IIGP token is Solana based token used to reward users, but the token is actual money. So that means when you do any activity on IIGP, you get token allocated, that is register or login or like or share or buy on CommerceX or enroll to the course, write an article or comment on it. Every activity on IIGP is rewarded with token, where you can get 10,000 tokens in your wallet. In IIGP, the system automatically transfers it to your Phantom wallet and you can do whatever you want to do with it. You can swap it with Sol or USDT or any other cryptocurrency you want and withdraw cash with any P2P network. Here is the whole token economics that you want to know. This is activity reward section, where you can see how the tokens are allocated and milestones are set to achieve higher excellence. Every activity is accounted and rewarded, whether you are just a participant or a seller or buyer or educator or student. For everything you get rewarded. Now let's begin the new chapter of life by starting IIGP journey. And the first step is registration. The registration form is very basic. Name, email ID, mobile, choose your user ID, put your sponsor ID. If you do not have, leave it blank. Choose your password, accept terms, and here you are good to go. Now click on the dashboard, verify your mail, then the system will automatically lead you to a dashboard. And this is how it looks. As of now, I will give you complete detailed tour as we progress. Now let's start with very first thing, that is connect to wallet. You will see this page. Before we start here, let me give you a quick guide about wallet and wallet installation. We will do with Phantom wallet. Go to Google or any search engine, search for Phantom wallet. Click this website, then go to download. I'm using Chrome, so I will download for the same. You can download to your compatible browser, then add to Chrome extension. Now here are your Chrome extension is added. Now create wallet login with your mail or Apple ID or Google ID, your choice. Set up PIN, set password, and you are good to start. This is your Phantom wallet. You can store your crypto assets, your Solana wallet and other e-wallet address. In this you can buy Sol. Very basic process. Click buy with cash, put your amount. I will be buying 1 year membership. So I will need 200 USD worth Sol and 10 USD extra, but you always have to buy more crypto than the required, as some crypto is always burnt as gas while doing any transaction. From here, this wallet will lead you to the MoonPay or any other service provider of your choice. From here you can do the transaction as you do for any other online purchase. Let's start our IIGP membership purchase. Now connect wallet. It will ask you whether the Phantom or MetaMask. Choose wallet. We will do with Phantom. The wallet will open, insert password and press connect, and you will see the wallet connected successfully. Here you can change your wallet. Let's go back to dashboard and click buy now. You can choose your package from here. I am going with Ultimate Pack of 1 year, where it has all the IIGP modules for me to create a shop or the course or to post my exclusive content to the members or to have a collab. This is our checkout page of IIGP. This is your purchase details, your transaction window. You can buy through USDT Sol or USDC. USDT and USDT are stable coins, that means their value is pegged to USD, while Sol have floating value against dollar. We will purchase with Sol today. Once you click pay and activate, wallet will open and you will have to confirm the transaction and your payment is done. You can check your transaction with Sol Scan. This is the receipt of your payment and you have started. Let's check the wallet here. Now you have 10,100 tokens in the wallet, which you can withdraw to your Phantom wallet anytime you want. Now let's have a quick tour of dashboards. So you will have a quick overview of your status. Active package, referral link storage, usage. You have 5 GB here, but you can buy additional storage whenever required. This is my access section. You can see activities you do as buyers, or you have any content wallet subscription, or you have enrolled to any course. This is profile section. Here you can set a profile, add or change wallet, save your payment details, do your KYC. Also you can change or recover password. Let's move on to the next section. This is my network. Here you can see the team direct referrals, all downline and the active members. You can see all the statistics here. You can also see your performance snapshot here. All the other members can also see your performance snapshot in this format. Now let us see other modules like MySphere and CollabX. Here you can set the URL, what color theme you want. You can add your payment gateway detail, either Stripe or PayPal. Now let's see the content vault. Here you can design your exclusive page. This is overall view of your content vault dashboard. One thing, payments that you can receive from content vault do not come directly to you. It goes to IIGP first, later you get 80% of your revenue and 20% is kept by IIGP. In this section, you can set up e-commerce store, you can add logo, banner, set up theme and payments. Info this payment will directly sent to your account. IIGP have no role in this payments. Here you can add products. Same like other sites, here you can add categories. This is where we set up Eduverse Institute. Same as commerce, here you can add your courses and all the chapters. Now let's have a look at IIGP Live. Here you can see the community performance, articles, question and answers, discussions. In wallet section, you can track your token balance. In the earnings sections, you can sell all your earnings like direct referrals, level income and all the bonuses, token income and other earnings. In this section, you can see all the marketing tools, how to conduct the referral campaign in promotional material you can get, which are periodically uploaded by the admin. This is notification section. You can see all the notifications from the pages and the modules and all the user activities that are related to you. Then this is the inbox section. Here you will get all the messages from all the users from all the modules, very well sorted. Here you can see all the pending tasks, and this is final section. Standings, this place you will see your stage standings which you are shown on your activity drop down cards. You can see the details here on this page. Now let's start designing our pages. We will start from our profile. That will help us build most of the content for MySphere and CollabX. But first of all, please download this prerequisite sheet. I have given link in description. The account setup prerequisite sheet will help you to stay organized and get all the things as required. All my files in one place, sorts with folders for each topic this way. This is my profile. I have already drafted. If you have any issues while drafting the text, you can take a support of any AI model like ChatGPT or Gemini. Here is my profile image, featured image for banner. Fill the entire form, your address and city. This is your wallet. In this wallet, you will get your IIGP tokens. Give all your social media handles. They will go on your public page. I have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp and also have Threads. Now add your followers, subscribers count and your overall engagement rate. And here is our profile ready. Let's start with MySphere and CollabX page formation. Now you can set up a color theme of your choice. I will use the same bio that was on my profile enabled by my payment method. Add some images as portfolio. I am adding couple of them just to show you can add more. Further add the collaboration offerings. I am adding few for demo purpose. This is how page will look, and from here brand can book your services. If brands need apart from this, they will directly contact you from main form. This is your MySphere page. You can find the link for all your pages and all your social media handle. Now let's start with building my content vault. Same again, give the title to the page, add profile picture, add banner, give the welcome note, set the price, decide content that you will be uploading, set your premium services, set the price. In Content Vault, payment goes to IIGP and later it is transferred to you. IIGP keeps 20% of the revenue as platform fees and you will get 80% of it. And here your Content Vault page is set now. Let's upload content. Let me show you one upload here. This is my own exclusive pics. I will upload it. This is how it looks. People can like and comment this. You can see all the uploaded content here. Let me upload one more pic here just for your reference. Let me show you how it looks at your user front. He will have to log in first, then he will see the content here. Now let's set up IIGP Commerce X Store, the most easiest and fastest way to set up your store online and add your store name and logo and a banner. Couple of more images. Set up your payment method and your store is ready. I will show you how to upload products next. Before adding the products, add some categories for your good layout. On the store page, have at least 4 to 5 categories. I have divided my products into 5 categories. Now let's start adding products. I will share you adding couple of products. It is pretty simple. You just have to have all the products arranged in the folder with products name and description and short description. Everything ready. Now it is simple. Just get product name, quantity, price, images, and only 6 images are allowed and a thumbnail image. Short description. Click save and here your product is added. Let me show you the same product. This is how it looks on the shop page and here is your shop details page. Let us add one more product, this time with some other category in our product, the same name and images. Short description here. You can see how the product is uploaded in your panel. And now let us go to the shop. This is our second product. Now customer can buy, add to cart, add to wish list. This is your fully functional e-commerce store. Now let's set up the institute. Here is all the information that is required to set up the institute. Add name, add a tag, add logo, choose your color theme, add the description. Here is your institute ready. Now let us add the course. Here is my course name, Influencer Blueprint Build, Gain and Monetize. Here add name, choose category, add thumbnail, add the price. You can also keep it free. Add short description, and add syllabus, add learning outcomes, here you can start adding chapters. I will add chapter first here. Add few more chapters. You will have to add all video if you have audio, then other notes, questions and answer assignments. All of it here. You can see your course and details.